Actinology, the study of the effect of light on chemicals. Aerology, the study of the atmosphere. Agrology, the branch of soil science dealing with the production of crops. Agrostology, the study of grasses. Algology, the study of algae. Andrology, the study of male health. Angiology, the study of the anatomy of blood and lymph vascular systems. Anthropology, the study of humans. Apiology, the study of bees. Arachnology, the study of spiders. Archaeology, the study of past cultures. Audiology, the study of hearing. Bacteriology, the study of bacteria. Biology, the study of life. Bromatology, the study of food. Cardiology, the study of the heart. Karyology or cytology, the study of cells. Climatology, the study of climate. Coleopterology, the study of beetles. Conchology, study of shells and mollusks. Coniology, study of dust in the atmosphere and its effects on living organisms. Craniology, study of skull characteristics. Criminology, the scientific study of crime. Cryology, the study of very low temperatures and related phenomena. Cynology, the study of dogs. Dendrology, the study of trees. Dendrochronology, the study of the age of trees and the records in their rings. Dermatology, the study of skin. Diabetology, the study of diabetes mellitus. Dipterology, the study of flies. Edaphology, branch of soil science that studies the influence of soil on life. Embryology or fetology, the study of embryos or fetus. Endocrinology, the study of internal secretory glands. Entomology, the study of insects. Enzymology, the study of enzymes. Ethology, the study of animal behavior. Exobiology, the study of life in outer space. Felinology, the study of cats. Formicology or myrmecology, the study of ants. Gastrology or gastroenterology, the study of stomach and intestines. Gemology, study of gemstones. Geology, the study of the earth. Geomorphology, the study of present-day landforms. Glaciology, the study of glaciers. Gynecology, the study of medicine relating to women. Hematology, the study of blood. Heliology, the study of sun. Helminthology, the study of parasitic worms. Hepatology, the study of liver. Herpetology, the study of reptiles and amphibians. Heteroptology, the study of true bugs. Hippology, the study of horses. Histology, the study of living tissues. Hydrology, the study of water. Hydrogeology, the study of underground water. Ichnology, the study of fossil footprints, tracks, and burrows. Ichthyology, the study of fish. Immunology, the study of immune system. Climatology, the study of waves or wave motions. Lepidopterology, the study of butterflies and moths. Limnology, the study of freshwater environments. Lithology, the study of stones. Malacology, the study of mollusks. Mammalogy, the study of mammals. Meteorology, the study of weather. Methodology, the study of methods. Metrology, the study of measurement. Microbiology, the study of microorganisms. Micrology, science of preparing and handling microscopic objects. Mineralogy, the study of minerals. Mycology, the study of fungi. Myology, the study of muscles. Nanotechnology, the study of machines at the molecular level. Nematology, the study of nematodes, roundworms. Nephology, the study of clouds. Nephrology, the study of kidneys. Neurology, the study of nerves. Nosology, the study of disease classification. Oceanology, the study of oceans. Odonatology, the study of dragonflies and damselflies. Odontology, the study of teeth. Oncology, the study of cancer. Oology, the study of eggs. Ophthalmology, the study of eyes. Ornithology, the study of birds. Orology, the study of mountains and their mapping. Orthopterology, the study of grasshoppers and crickets. Osteology, the study of bones. Otology, the study of ears. Paleoanthropology, the study of prehistoric people and human origins. Palynology, the study of pollen. Parasitology, the study of parasites. Pathology, the study of illness. Petrology, the study of rocks and conditions by which they form. Pharmacology, the study of drugs. Phonology, the study of vocal sounds. Physiology, the study of functions of living organisms. Phytology, the study of plants, botany. Phytopathology, the study of plant diseases. Planetology, the study of planets and solar systems. Planktology, the study of planktons, that is, organisms that live in large bodies of water. Pomology, the study of fruits. Primatology, the study of primates. Psychology, the study of mental processes in living creatures. Radiology, the study of rays, usually ionizing radiation. Rhinology, the study of nose. Scatology, the study of feces. Seismology, the study of earthquakes. Selenology, the study of moon. Serology, the study of blood serum. Sociology, the study of diet. Sociology, the study of society. Somnology, the study of sheep. Speleology, the study or exploration of caves. Stomatology, the study of mouth. Symptomatology, the study of symptoms. Synecology, the study of ecological interrelationships. Technology, application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. Thermology, the study of heat. Topology, the study of childbirth. Topology, the mathematical study of closeness and connectedness. Toxicology, the study of toxins. Traumatology, the study of wounds and injuries. Tribology, the study of friction and lubrication. Typology, the study of classification. Urology, the study of urogenital tract. Vaccinology, the study of vaccines. Virology, the study of viruses. Volcanology, the study of volcanoes. Xylology, the study of wood. Zoology, the study of animals. Zymology, the study of fermentation.